Backing up WhatsApp chats ensures that your messages and media are safely stored and can be restored if you change your devices or lose your data. The process varies slightly between Android and iPhone, but both platforms offer similar methods for creating backups. Now, on Android, WhatsApp automatically backs up your chats to Google Drive, but you can also manually initiate a backup. So to do this, open the WhatsApp and go to the settings menu. Now from there, select chats and then tap on chat backup. Here you're going to see an option to back up your messages to Google Drive and choose the frequency of backups, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also choose whether to include videos in the backup. Ensure that your Google account is linked to WhatsApp to enable this feature. Now, for iPhone users, WhatsApp also uses iCloud to back up messages. To create a backup, go to WhatsApp settings and select chats, and then tap Chat Backup. From here, you can choose to backup manually or tap Backup Now or enable automatic backups by setting the frequency to daily, weekly, or monthly. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage to complete the backup. And also, regular backing up your chats ensures that you're not going to lose important information, important messages, or media, even if you encounter issues with your phone.